Welcome to Pharmanica, the place where we are going to make you rich with your Pharma degree. Yes, you heard me right. Pharma as a profession is noble. The problem with pharma profession is you are supposed to learn as deep as a doctor, but you are getting a salary in a job which is not even half of the salary of a doctor, but 1/4 of that. Now, why that is happening? Now, when I also passed out, I was offered such jobs. I didn't accept it, and you should not as well. Today on Pharmanica, we are going to give you some game-changing strategies which will help you achieve a lot of money, a lot of success, and just with your pharma degree. Right? You don't have to do anything else, right? Now, first things first, if you're a fresher, don't panic. It's okay to be a fresher. Everybody was, even I was, okay? So stay calm and listen to the strategy, right? Let's say I'm an expert in organic chemistry, or let's say medicinal chemistry or pharmacology. I have 20 years of experience and you're a fresher. How would you replace me, right? Very difficult. Unless I retire or I leave the job or some new companies are opening up, you cannot replace me, right? So that is the problem. Every fresher faces that when already existing people are in the industry and no new industry is coming, how should I get a job? That is where new age jobs leads to new age experts, that leads to new money generated. Okay? Now let me give you an example. The planes, 125 years ago, aeroplanes came into being. Who became rich because of aeroplanes? The manufacturing companies who made the planes and the people who flew the planes, the pilots, the air hostess, the flight stewards, right? And of course, the airline companies. So with every new age technology, you have an opportunity to become rich, okay? Do you want another example? Let's talk about computers, right? So typists got replaced and obsolete, but now computer developers earn more, right? New money was generated because computer developers created more programs, right? Same way, how can you earn a lot of money in pharma? Well, you can do that if you get into something which is growing along with computers and chemistry, and that is AI, right? AI-driven drug discovery scientist. If you become that, then your chances of growing in this field is very high. See, if I'm a pharmacologist, I'll take some time to learn AI, but you are a youngster, you can learn AI faster than me, right? So what is lucrative here? AI is collapsing the drug discovery timeline from 10 years to 2 years, right? So if it is reducing, then all the companies are like, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. They're like, you are an AI guy, come. You are an AI guy, come. That's how they are, right? So if you are an AI in pharma, okay, come, right? Now that is where you can get into AI in drug discovery with your pharmacology understanding and computers. And all you have to do is, Pharmanica is starting a AI ML in drug discovery and chemistry training program, internship, and a project, okay? So if you take registration into this, within 6 months, you will be an AI ML expert, AI ML in drug discovery expert. Imagine. And if you want to talk about this more with me on WhatsApp, the link is given in the description. Just do it. Imagine what kind of skills you can develop, what kind of new money you can create for yourself. You will learn Chemoinformatics, you will learn machine learning, deep learning, you will learn the structure-based drug design, you will learn data pipelines, and companies like In Silico, Medicine, Benevolent AI, Schrodinger, Recursion, Pfizer, Existentia, Equivia, Biocon, Syngene, everybody's hiring. So you can get in there. And now what is the salary you can get? Okay, starts at 30 lakhs per annum, goes up to 80 lakhs to 1 crore rupees salary per annum. Okay, in out of India, it is $150,000 to $300,000. Okay, then you can even get shares in these startup companies. So there's a lot of scope here, right? The next type of jobs which you can get is regulatory affairs. Again, big money. You heard of this cold reef disaster? Cough syrup people drank and died, right? Children, what happened there? The regulatory affairs were not done properly, right? So the regulatory affairs specialist as well as QA/QC specialist will always be in demand. So these are new age jobs. You can get in, a lot of companies are hiring, a lot of money can be made, but of course, more money can be made with AI ML. That's something you should know. Now we said, okay, AI ML and drug discovery is going to happen. So more drugs will come into the market, right? If more drugs is coming into the market, what happens next? See, it's all connected, right? More drugs coming into the market means more drugs in clinical research. So clinical research jobs is going to boom. You can, if you have interest, you can get there. In case, okay, as a pharma professional, you don't want to get into that field job, fine. Go for clinical data management, but you have to be good with maths, okay? Good with numbers. Clinical data management is also going to explode because, of course, clinical research is exploding, right? And then regulatory affairs will explode. And then QA/QC is exploding. All this is in one line, okay? If you actually see from the correct dimension, correct way, okay? So if pharma manufacturing is going to go for a boom, you should not go into F&D and R&D. You should go into any of these which I told. And for all this, by the way, there are training programs available on Pharmanica. You can chat with me in the link given in the description. It's a WhatsApp number. You can chat with me and my team. And then you will get a lot of idea on how can you design your new age career and a lot of money to be made. Now, by the way, have you heard of Pharmacovigilance? Now, let's combine AI into that. Wow, that's where IQVIA is working. Recently, I took the interview of one of the program directors of IQVIA in Legends of Biotech on one of our sister companies called Biotechnica. He told me that with AI coming in, pharmacovigilance is more efficient than ever, right? Adverse event monitoring globally is shifting to AI-based signal detection. Now, that means more professionals can be deployed. It is much easier to do PV automation, and that is going to save companies billions of dollars. I'm not lying. Go to Pharmanica or go to any job portal, you'll find a lot of pharmacovigilance jobs. So you need to learn pharmacovigilance regulations. Of course, we can train you on that. Medra, we can train you on that. We can train you on NLP, automation tools, AI workflows, and all of that. And then companies like Accenture, Oral Health, Sciences, GSK, and many startups who are building AI-powered pharmacovigilance platform, you can get a job there. Starting salary, 20 lakhs to 35 lakhs per annum, right? Imagine getting all of this, right? So again, the next one is patent analyst, intellectual property and patent strategist, right? So a lot of patents will expire. You can keep an eye, and then you can advise the companies which one they should pick and create a biosimilar, right? So imagine strong IP strategy, monopoly of profits, right? Even that you can train, that you can take the training on Pharmanica and go for it. And the companies like Biocon, Sun Pharma, Merck, and various consulting companies and law firms which will hire you, right? So a lot of money to be made for pharma professionals in this era with AI, with clinical research, clinical data management, global regulatory affairs, QA/QC. My question to you is, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comment section. At Pharmanica, we firmly believe that anyone who wants to win has to strategize first. This is the strategy time, not the panic time. You strategize today, you win tomorrow. You can bend your future reality if you take action today. And the simple first action is one click below. There is a WhatsApp number. You can click on the link and chat with us. And you can also enroll in any of our training programs for any of these. Learn, get work experience letter, get project, do internship with Pharmanica, and then go ahead, get the jobs. Because at Pharmanica, we believe every child, if given the right teacher and the right opportunity, is going to be rich. And that's you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next one. Till then, keep shining. Take care. Namaskar.